Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Jezreel Talks, where we help the African diaspora, the Most High is calling, to Ghana repatriate with ease. And so this is Ashley. Hi. So I wanted to come on today to show you guys some of the footage that we have of Jezreel Valley and share some updates of what is going on with the upcoming diaspora community that we are building out here in the Volta region of Ghana. And so here you see we have just entered into Adonai Estate, which is the major estate that Jezreel Valley will be housed inside. And so you see that this estate is vast, it is large, and it is already developing. There are already people building. In fact, there's also already one person who is living on the estate at this moment. And we are so excited that the Most High has gave us the opportunity to be housed inside of this major estate. And so you see that the roads here are already cleared and they are wide, ready for machinery. People have already started their building projects, as I said earlier. You see some pillars here. You see that the land is cleared in this area. All of this land is bought, you guys. It's already bought. You see the mountains in the distance. It's beautiful. And then on our left-hand side, we do have the coconut farm that the owner has decided to establish in this area. And it is growing and thriving. It's looking beautiful. And so, yes. You see these mountains in the distance, they look absolutely amazing. Later on in the video, we're going to see some panoramic mountain views of the area as well. And so you see here in this space that we have exited the tricycle and we are following the owner as he is going to show us the borders of Jezreel Valley. And so in this area, he's really just explaining to us his vision for this side of the estate. All this land is still bought. It's already bought, you guys. And people have cleared out this space and they are getting ready to build as well. You saw the piles of sand over on the left-hand side of the clip here. And so we are on our way to the borders of Jezreel Valley. And so you can see the soil here, as well as the trees and the things that are growing in the area. And you see that the land is flat and it's very fertile. And so if you're the type that wants to, have a backyard garden or maybe grow some fruit bearing trees or anything that you want to do agricultural wise, in a residential capacity, you're able to do in this space and in Jezreel Valley. And so we're definitely excited about that. And the mature trees here, they are definitely thriving in this area. In fact, this large tree that we're about to glimpse right here, I wanted to get some coverage of it because I thought it was absolutely beautiful, but I do not know what type of tree that is. And so if anyone in the comments knows what type of tree that is, please let us know. I thought that was an absolutely beautiful looking tree there, and I definitely want one on my land. That's on my bucket list, on my checklist. And so, yes, you see some pillars also in the distance here. And so if you are aware or if you are not aware, if you decide to purchase a plot inside of Jezreel Valley, your purchase does include your pillars. And so your pillars are free.com when you purchase inside of Jezreel Valley. And they are personalized pillars. They have your name on them and they do include the mounting. You don't have to worry about none of that. So when you purchase a plot inside of Jezreel Valley, we do include your pillars and we put them on your space for you, so you don't have to worry about none of that in your space. And it's an exciting time and we definitely want to just make the whole process seamless and just focus on the exciting portion of it, like it's ownership. And so we are definitely excited for all of our clients in that regard. Yes. And so you see kind of as we continue walking that the land became more bushy because we're entering into the space, although this space is already bought, we're entering into the areas that people have not cleared just yet. So you see the land in its natural state. And so, yes, we are at the borders of Jezreel Valley. And as the owner is gesturing there, he's gesturing to our corner pillars on both sides. And so we are on the long side. Jezreel Valley is a rectangle. And so, yes, we're about the middle portion here. And he's just showing us the borders and the areas of our land. So everything behind him and behind Moses is within the realm of Jezreel Valley. And so here's a picture of our pillars and what they are looking like. Very soon, we are so excited. We're going to get our tall pillars that have Jezreel Valley written on them. And so we're so excited about that. And when we get those updates, we're definitely going to record them and let you guys know that progress. So yes, everything that you see on the right hand side of the screen is within the realm of Jezreel Valley. And as we walk to our corner pillar, you get to glimpse, what the land is looking like in its raw state. And we definitely wanted to share these videos and this footage with you guys to kind of invite you in on the journey with us. And so we wanted you guys to kind of see the progress and how the Most High is going to be moving in this space. He's already moving, you guys. Things are already growing and progressing inside of Jezreel Valley. But we wanted to include you guys in on the progress of what's going on, especially when we get the bulldozers in and we start clearing the entire space. It's going to be an exciting time. And we wanted to invite you guys in on the journey with us. And if you wanted to join us inside of Jezreel Valley, feel free to visit our website, jezreelresourcemanagement.com/Jezreel Valley, and get all the info and the details on that. And so you see here that the owner is he's patiently waiting for us at our corner pillar. He was very patient throughout this entire process. But this is our corner pillar here at Jezreel Valley. And as he's gesturing with his hand, we are going to walk up the short side of our rectangle space. But this is definitely it's not a short walk, you guys. It's 40 entire acres of land, and it was most definitely a trek. It was a long day. You see, we had to cut a little bit of footage here as we kind of watched our step and things like that. But you see the owner kind of in the distance. He's already there. He is very tall, and his one step was probably about 3 of my steps. But he's waiting at our other corner pillar with the surveyor. You can kind of glimpse him later on in the clip, because they were demarcating the entire area as we walked along, which was an amazing process to be a part of. And we're excited. We're excited to share with you guys. And so, yes, once again, on the right hand of the screen is within the realm of Jezreel Valley. And so, yes, y'all can kind of get a better idea of the fertile nature of this soil, of this land, as you glimpse all of these trees and all of these shrubberies and bushes that are growing on this land. And so any type of seed that you plant here, it's most definitely going to do a little something. It's going to grow. Okay, and so you see the pole here, that's a part of the surveyor's machine that he uses to demarcate the entire area. At this point, I do believe, please forgive us, you guys, that our camera has died. And so we tried our best to get all of the footage that we could for you guys to share with you guys what's going on with Jezreel Valley. And so, yes, I wanted to include these clips here to show you guys the surrounding area and the scenery that you get when the land is cleared. Okay, so I wanted you to see these panoramic views that I've been talking about. And so here in the distance, you see this is Mount Adaklu. Okay, and the cloud is covering it here, but the mountain is absolutely beautiful. It's very large. Still not the largest one in Ghana, though. That's Mount Afajato. And so as we pan to our right, you see this panoramic mountain range that leads to these 2 mountains over here. Now, these are absolutely gorgeous. And from the land, you are able to see all of these mountains. And so 3 of the 4 sides of Jezreel Valley do have mountain views. And even if you do, build on that one side, you can still build a little up and get all of these views depending on where you place your windows. And so, yeah, definitely let us know what you guys are thinking of Jezreel Valley. As I stated earlier in the video, this land is litigation free. You guys, you have no idea how grateful and thankful we are to the Most High that this land is secured. This land is registered. Okay. We thank the Most High for this opportunity, and we definitely want to extend it and share it with our brothers and sisters as they are coming in to Ghana. And so if that's something that you are concerned about, which I know that a lot of people coming in wanting to purchase land are concerned about when it comes to Ghana. Y'all, this land is litigation free. I can't even stress that enough. Like, I'm even excited. And so, yes, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in Jezreel Valley, feel free to visit our website, jezreelresourcemanagement.com. And then also, we do have a webinar. We do have a land investment webinar that's coming up. We have a special one on Thursday. And then also, if you miss it, we do one every Sunday. Okay, and so our time right now is 8 p.m. Ghana time, which is 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can register on our website, jezreelresourcemanagement.com/workshops. And all these links are going to be in the description box below. And so please like the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, welcome, join the family, and then share it with someone that you think will find this information helpful. And until next time, family, shalom.